In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a merge cell effect in Smartsheet. While Smartsheet doesn't offer a built-in merge cells feature like Excel or Google Sheets, there are several simple workarounds you can use to achieve a similar result. Start by understanding that cells in Smartsheet cannot be physically merged. If your goal is simply to make text fit better across multiple columns, you can resize the columns by dragging the boundary between column headers. This gives your content more room and often eliminates the need for merged cells altogether. Another useful option is text wrapping. Select the cell containing your text and click the Wrap Text button in the toolbar. This allows long content to display on multiple lines within the same cell, making your sheet easier to read without expanding the column width. If you want to combine information from 2 or more cells, you can use a formula. Click into a blank cell and enter a formula that joins the values together. For example, if you have a first name in one column and a last name in another, you can combine them into a single cell using a formula. To include a space between the values, use a formula similar to equals first name at row plus L plus last name at row. After pressing enter, Smartsheet will display the combined result in one cell, creating a merged content effect without actually merging cells. These methods can be useful for creating cleaner reports, combining names, building labels, or improving the overall appearance of your sheet when a traditional merge feature isn't available. That's how to create a merge cell effect in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.